Hey everybody, so I wanted to take this Alien Bees foldable strip box and adapt it for a Bowens mount, so I can put it onto this thing, which you can clamp a flash in there. And I'm using these flashes because they are easier to gel than Alien Bees lights when you have a modifier on them. So what I'm going to do is I've already taken the Alien Bees bolts or nuts off of here, and what happens is there's one of these white washers underneath down here, and then there's this thing goes on, this washer goes on top, and then this thing clamps it on. So I've taken those all off. Okay, I've gotten rid of this thing, and I ordered one of these on Amazon. See if I can post the link in the description and maybe a picture on the overlay on the screen. So to adapt it, I went and bought some washers at Home Depot. They're number 8 washers. I accidentally bought 8S washers before I did this video, and they're a little smaller. I don't know what 8S means, but they are smaller than the standard 8s. So I'm gonna open these up, and what I've done with another one I have is you'll need 2, 4, 6, 8 of these, because you'll need 2 of these to match up to the thickness of, whoops, you can see it, of this guy. So you'll put 2 of these on each of these bolts right here. So you have 2 of those on each bolt. And what will happen is this thing will now fit in there, so this black Bowens mount is like, I don't know, 5 millimeters, 4 millimeters smaller than the diameter of this whole thing. This one actually feels a little tighter than the other ones I put on, but we're gonna roll with it. So then what I've done is I've taken these white washers that came with the Alien Bees, and I'm putting them back on. And just because I bought a pack of these, they're 3/16 by 1 inch. So the hole is 3/16 inch, and then there's a 1 inch washer. I bought those. There's 3 in a pack, so you'll have to get a couple packs, which is kind of lame. But I'm putting those on top of here to just give it some extra support. I probably didn't need the 1 inch ones, but couldn't remember what size I needed, and I overplanned. So I'm gonna put these ones on here. And tighten that on. And now, it's a little tight. The washers I had before, I got them out of like a Chinese kit that I got from somewhere. They said they were number 8s, which is why I bought 8s at Home Depot. The other ones feel a little looser. These ones feel a little tighter, but it could be because everything's from China and everything's a little bit off every time they make it. But it rotates, which is what I want, and it's secure, which is also what I want. So hopefully this helps you if you're going to try and change out your Alien Bees mounts to a Bowens mount. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them, and thanks for watching.